A trip to Traverse City, Michigan isn't complete for us without a stop at Slabtown Burgers, and our go-to burger is the Punji Pepper Patty. Since I can't wait for trips to the Lower Peninsula to satisfy that craving, I make a version that's about as close as I can get to it. That means a kick-butt stuffed burger that is my ode to Slabtown, and one of our favorite burgers ever. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, it's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. To make the filling, you'll need 1 block of softened cream cheese, 1 diced jalapeno pepper, 2 slices of crumbled crispy bacon, 1½ ounces of shredded pepper jack cheese, and chipotle Tabasco sauce. Add your jalapenos, bacon, hot sauce, and cheese to the softened cream cheese and stir until well combined. Taste it and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge to firm up. Actually, if you make it the day before, the flavor's even better. I like to use organic grass-fed 85/15 for this, but feel free to use the fat ratio that you prefer. To the beef, add a little garlic powder, fresh black pepper, and take off your rings because you're going to get in there. Just make sure not to overmix it. I like to use a scale so that the hubby knows that I'm not cheating him out of his share. I do 2 6-ounce burgers and 1 4-ounce burger for lunch the next day. Gently form it into a ball, making sure not to overpack. There are 2 methods that I use to stuff a burger, and I'll show you both so that you can see which one you prefer to use. The first method is the well method. Make a well in the middle of your burger, making sure to make the bottom a little bit wider. Use a cookie scoop to scoop the cream cheese filling inside. Pull gingerly from the bottom of the burger to cover the well and press lightly to make a tight seal so that it doesn't leak while cooking. Give a light press into a patty and check for any leaks. The other method is dividing the ball in half and then press both burgers into similar sized patties. Put a scoop of the filling in the middle and flatten it slightly so that it's not all bulbous in the middle. Place the other patty on top and begin sealing the edges so that it doesn't leak out while cooking. You can do these on the grill, but it was cold, so I'm doing mine on a grill pan over medium-high heat to sear them. Give them a hit of salt and pepper on top, and don't go moving them all over the place. When you can see a bit of brown creeping up the side of the burger, go ahead and give it a flip, and again, leave it alone. No smashing or poking or prodding. When you see the juices are starting to get pinkish, turn the heat down and place 2 slices of pepper jack cheese on top of the patties. Place a metal bowl over the top for a minute or so until the cheese gets nice and gooey. Yeah, that's the stuff. Pull them onto a plate to rest for a minute and then toast your favorite buns. I've used brioche here because a burger like this needs a respectable vessel for this kind of deliciousness. Once they're all toasted up and ready to roll, it's time to plate up and grab a napkin. My ode to Slabtown is as close as we can get until we hit the best burger place in Traverse City, and we think it does it some homemade justice. The oozy filling with a subtle spicy kick will leave you sinking back in your chair. Your next cookout just got kicked up a notch. I can't even look at that right now. I want to lick the screen. For the full printable recipe, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.